morning somewhere here in the Stretsleki desert, and I thought I'd show you a little coffee maker I purchased before I left. A friend of mine put me onto them, thanks Carl, and cost around $45, but I reckon is pretty cool. It's called the Aero Press. I purchased it from eBay for, yeah, I think $45 or so it was. As you probably know, I love my jet boil because really I've got that now for 5 years probably, if not longer, and it still lasts. A little tip there, what I always do, I don't hook it in. If you put the jet boil in, you're supposed to twist it so it can't come out, but it becomes actually a bit difficult then to get it out when it's all hot. So for me, I just put it in like this, and that's it. It will cook the water now in 2 minutes or so. It is pretty fresh. While I cook the water, get the coffee ready. So I take the lid off here, and I have a metal filter. You also get paper filters. You're gonna slide that back all the way so that it nearly comes out. That's it. Good spoon of coffee. Have the cup ready. Water is boiling. Put it into the press. Fill it up to the top. Filter on. That's pretty much it. Turn it around, put it in the cup, and gently press down. Nice, constant, slow movement. Voila, cup of coffee. Beautiful. My final verdict is that the Aero Press makes a pretty good coffee. It is lightweight, it doesn't take up much space, it costs only $45, so that's definitely a keeper for me.